Hello guys, today we're going to see the difference between caps, yes, a string versus a small string. So let's go directly to understand this difference. So you see here example like a small string. If you mouse over this, you see like this string is basically derives from system dot caps string, which is means like it's alias of the cap string. Basically, it's from the system library. So typically when we use this is like while declaring the variables or return same method types. So that time we go with this alias name. And so majorly like when we use the cap strings. So when we try to access the static method of the type like a format to lower to upper, that time we go with the string. So this is like a main difference where when we using the both the cases. Hopes you understand. If you have any doubts, queries, please do add in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.